What is up, guys? Today we are here with a super late review of the Sideshow Alien Internecivus Raptus Big Chap Statue. Whoa, what a mouthful. This particular statue has been repainted. We're going to talk about that. In the end, I came out loving this particular statue, but it didn't start that way. The cost was pretty high. The paint job wasn't totally there, even though it was a beautiful sculpt. So I got it in and said, we got to get some of these paint details cleaned up. One of the first things I did was work on that base. So it needed better lowlights, it needed some better variation, and then I added a skin texture over the top with some latex that was then all sealed up, and I think the result is pretty darn cool. I mean, look at that compared to the original finish. All that kind of gory detail really changes things. After that, we moved on to the body. I know a lot of guys were mad that the body was not resin, but the sculpt was sharp. So I went in and added some fine, line work details. You see it in the arms, added some color fluctuation, shaded down the front of the dome to hide the eye sockets a little bit more. And then the nails and teeth were redone with Malto liquid chrome, which adds a lot of pop when you look at this thing under the right lighting. In the end, once the repaint was done, I freaking love this statue. It's really sharp. I'm not a big fan of 5th scale. I wish it was more like quarter scale, but still, this thing looks pretty darn good. I love the pose. It has a kind of crazy floating effect that I'm a big fan of. So yes, this thing needed some adjustments. Yes, it was expensive, but in the end, I'm pretty happy with how it came out. And if you can find one at a good price, I was lucky to get mine well under retail. If you can find one at a good price, grab it and, have your hand at making some mods and stepping it up. If you like this video, guys, please subscribe and we'll keep the videos coming. Later.